Welcome to our guide on how to refer a friend to BetMgm. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to easily earn rewards together. Before we dive in, let's quickly cover the eligibility requirements. Both the referrer and the friend need to meet certain conditions to participate. First, let's access the Refer a Friend feature. Open the BetMgm app, navigate to your account settings, and look for the referral section. Once you're in the referral section, you'll see your unique referral link. Copy this link so you can share it with your friends. Now let's talk rewards. For every friend you refer who signs up and meets the conditions, you'll both earn fantastic bonuses. Make sure your friends know the sign-up guidelines. They'll need to use your link and complete the registration process to qualify for the rewards. Let's address some common FAQs about the Refer a Friend program, so you and your friends feel confident participating. To maximize your referrals, share your link on social media and encourage friends to join the fun. The more, the merrier. You're all set. Start referring your friends to BetMgm today and enjoy the rewards together. Don't wait. Engage with BetMgm and earn amazing rewards for you and your friends. Happy referring!